Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome back. Now in this video, right down in here, we will create a button, and it will be simply for the post now. So whenever the user will complete all of these fields, then the user can click on that button that we are about to create for the post now. So it will simply just post all of the data and save it. So let's go and create that button right in here. So for that, what we will do, so right down below this padding, we will have a center widget. There we go. In here, comma, and tag is down. We'll have a child. Right in the child, we will do some padding. Right in the padding, as usual, as inside, we will go with a dot only, and we will set the bottom to 30. Okay. Right after, again child. Now we will go and create a bool type is loading. So for that, let's go at the top, and down in here we will say bool. It's going to be private, is loading. And name this, and we'll set it to false now. Okay. Now let's go down, and here in child we will say is loading. So in there, if there will be any kind of loading, right in the if, we will simply show the circular progress indicator, or otherwise in else we will have that material button that we are about to create. In here, put comma and tag this down. We will tag the on-price event. For now, we will leave this empty. We will work on that right in future videos. So now we will set the color. Color is going to be black, and we will set the elevation to 8, and let's have a shape. It's going to be rounded with triangular border. Right in there, we will set the border radius dot circular, and it is going to be 13. Put comma. In here, add the const modifier sign. Now let's move further. In here we will have child. Right in the child we will do padding. Right in the padding, as usual, as in sec, we will go with the dot symmetric, and we will set the vertical to 14. In here, add the const modifier. Okay, from here copy it also with this, and inside all good. All fine. Now down below in here child, and right in the child we will have a row widget. Now in there we will set some properties right in the row widget. The first one will be main axis size. We will set it to main axis size dot minimum, and right after, let's set the main axis alignment, set it to center, main axis alignment dot center. There we go. Now right after, you'll have a children, and right in the children you'll have a text widget, and first put comma, and in there you will have that text for the material button post now. Now let's do some style for that. So text style as usual, and right in there first you will set the color. We will go with the colors dot white, and font weight gonna be dot bold. Also we will set the size font. First put comma in here, and then font size in here. There we go. Set it to 25. So all good. Now add the constant modifier just to remove those lines. All good. Now all of the working has been done. Okay, right in this center widget, as you guys can see. Now simply just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the material button post now. There we go with the post now. Okay, so one thing that I will do just to simply add the font family for this button so it will look more beautiful. So font family, we will go with the Signature. In here comma, and now just simply press the Ctrl S, you guys will notice. There we go. Okay, and if you guys want to change the font size, let's change it to 28. Press the Ctrl S. I think the old one was fine, 25 was fine, that is fine. Okay, so for now all the working for the UI design for the upload job now has been done, and you guys can see that. And also let's add an icon with that button so it will look more just fine. So what we will do right in here, first let's have a size box so there will be kind of fit between the icon that we are about to create and also post now. So let's give the width to 8 or 9 is fine. We will check it according to the design, and let's have that icon. Okay, in here comma, take this down, and icons dot, you will go with the upload underscore file down. Okay, you can choose whatever you want right in here, but I'll go with this one. Now we will simply set also the color. Okay, let's go with the white one, and that's fine. Now just press the Ctrl S, and there we go with the icon. So it's look more fine than before. So you guys already know all the working for the UI design has been done for the upload job now, and you guys can see that. And right from the future videos we will work right on that on press event. Whenever then the user will click on that post now, it will simply post all of these field data. So we will work on that right in the future videos. For now, if you click, it will do nothing. Okay, just the UI design. So right from the next video we will work on that FCT, click event, okay, for the job category, and so on. We will work further right from the next video. So we will end this video right in here, and see you in the next one.